Aster Basics. Hey Asters! Have you ever heard someone say chop an onion or dice a tomato and thought, what does that mean? Well, today, we're going to make learning cooking words super fun and easy. By the end of this video, you'll know all the cool cutting tricks used in the kitchen. Let's get chopping. Basic cuts, everyday cooking. Chop. Cutting into irregular pieces. Dice. Cutting into cube-shaped pieces, small, medium, or large. Mince. Cutting into very fine, tiny pieces, often for garlic or herbs. Slice. Cutting into thin, flat pieces. Shred. Cutting into thin strips, for cheese, cabbage, or meat. Usually creating longer, thin strips and can be done with a knife. Grate. Grating produces smaller, finer pieces and is typically done with a grater. Sliver. Very thin, delicate slices, used for almonds, onions, etc. Precision cuts, professional cooking. Julienne. A standard matchstick cut where ingredients are sliced into thin, uniform strips of 1/8 inch thick and about 2 inches long. Fine Julienne. A more refined version of Julienne, with thinner, uniform strips measuring 1/16 inch thick and 1 to 2 inches long. Brunoise. Super fine dice, made from Julienne. Chiffonade. Thin strips from rolled-up leafy greens. Batonnet. Thicker matchstick cut, 1/4 inch thick. Paysanne. Thin squares, triangles, or rectangles for quick cooking. Wedge cut. Thick triangular cuts. Potato wedges. Rondelle. Round, disc-shaped slices, e.g., cucumber, carrot. Meat and seafood cuts. Butterfly. Cutting meat or seafood in half but keeping it connected. Fillet. Removing bones and skin from fish or meat. Carve. Neatly slicing meat after roasting. Score. Making shallow cuts to help with cooking or marinating. Frenched. Cleaning meat bones, used for lamb racks or tomahawk steaks. Deven. Removing the dark vein from shrimp. Fruit and vegetable cuts. Core. Removing the central part of fruits, like apples, pears. Hull. Removing leafy tops from strawberries or tomatoes. Segment, supreme. Removing citrus flesh from membranes. Ribbon cut. Long, thin ribbon-like slices, cucumber, zucchini. Bias cut. Cutting at an angle for better presentation and faster cooking. Oblique cut. Angled rolling cuts, often used for carrots or parsnips. Half-moon slice. Semicircle slices, zucchini, cucumbers. Concassé. Roughly chopping peeled and seeded tomatoes. Decorative and special presentation cuts. Vandyke Cut. Zigzag decorative cuts, for fruit garnishes. Crinkle Cut. Wavy cuts, often for fries or decorative vegetables. Tourné. 7-sided barrel-shaped vegetable cuts, French technique. Tourné. Slightly more oval variation of tourné. Matchstick Cut. A casual version of Julienne, slightly larger. Diagonal cut. Cutting at an angle, used for vegetables. Special equipment cuts. Mandoline Cut. Using a mandoline slicer for ultra-thin, uniform slices. Spatchcock. Butterflying a whole chicken by removing the backbone. Shuck. Removing the outer shell of foods like corn or oysters. Specialized cutting techniques. Chop coarsely. Large, rough pieces, used for soups, stews. Chop finely. Small, even pieces, used for sauces. Trim. Removing unwanted parts, like fat from meat or stems from veggies. Supreme cut. Separating citrus segments without pith or membrane. Portioning. Dividing meat, fish, or dough into equal-sized portions. Thinly slice. Making very thin slices, for onions, meats, etc. Thickly slice. Cutting food into thicker slices. Other cutting techniques. Strip cut. Cutting food into long, narrow strips, used for stir-fry. Medallion cut. Cutting food into round, thick pieces, e.g., steaks, carrots. Rough cut. Non-uniform cuts, often for rustic-style cooking. Crimp. Pinching dough or pastry edges to seal them. Julienne fine. A home-friendly version of fine julienne where the strips are thin but not strictly measured to professional standards. Mandoline Julienne. Using a mandoline for julienne cuts. Rough chop. A casual, uneven cut for soups and stews. Chop crosswise. Cutting perpendicular to the length of the ingredient. Chop lengthwise. Cutting along the length of an ingredient. Shred with a knife. Manually cutting into thin strips instead of using a grater. Peel and slice. Removing the skin and then slicing. Chop into sticks. Cutting food into stick-like shapes. Chop into medallions. Cutting food into round, thick pieces. Trim fat. Removing fat from meat before cooking. Chop into portions. Cutting into specific serving sizes. Now that you know how to chop, dice, and slice like a pro, you're ready to help out in the kitchen. Which cutting method do you think is the most fun? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Aster Basics, and hit the bell icon to get notifications for more exciting learning videos. See you next time. Happy cooking!